Hello everyone. In this week's ASB's Innovative Insights, we will focus on health and nutrition. I'm Sheeba Desouza, an ASB parent, and I would like to share with you a healthy and delicious recipe of a gluten-free tabbouleh. We start by frying some cauliflower, season it with salt and keep it aside. In a bowl, add some parsley, chopped onion, tomatoes, a little bit of olive oil, roasted cauliflower in place of Bulgar wheat for a gluten-free version, and toss it well. Now add some pomegranate, a dash of lemon juice, garlic, chopped coriander and mint leaves, a little bit of cinnamon powder, and give it a good mix. This healthy and delicious dish is now ready. Enjoy!